Hi, my name is Madison Cole. I'm from School of the Osage, and with my project, I created novel, non-woven biocomposites from plant silks and PLA fibers. I did so because in a number of industries, there's currently a great need to move away from the use of petroleum-based products and find a more sustainable option. I believe this option could be biocomposites, which are composed of a matrix and reinforcing fibers for structural integrity. For my matrix, I used PLA fibers, or polylactic acid, a biodegradable plastic, which I ordered online. And then for my reinforcing fibers, I used field corn silk and milkweed silk, which I obtained from the field. To start this study, I first had to decide how to best create these biocomposites. I found that a 50-50 ratio of plant silks and PLA fibers, along with the use of thermal processing, created the most successful biocomposite. After this testing, I created 4 groups of biocomposites with 5 replicates in each. My first group was PLA only, and it acted as my control. I then created a field corn silk PLA group, a milkweed silk PLA group, and then finally a milkweed silk PLA group with corn silk as well. After this fabrication, I tested different properties of these biocomposites to see which industries they would be best suited for. I tested thermal insulation, water repellency, and then finally flammability. For my thermal insulation, I laid down a heat mat, placed the biocomposite on top of it, and measured the change in temperature over time. To test my water repellency, I used 5 milliliters of water, a dropper, and measured how much water was repelled after 1 minute of the water standing on the biocomposites. And finally, for flammability, I lit the edge of the biocomposite on fire using a Bunsen burner, moved it away from the flame, and then measured how long it took for the biocomposite to burn completely. Based on these findings, I found that the field corn silk PLA biocomposite was the least flammable as well as the best thermal insulator, and that the milkweed silk field corn PLA biocomposite was the most water repellent. Based on these findings, I believe that the field corn silk PLA biocomposite would be best suited for the automobile industry as lining inside of car doors, and that the field corn silk milkweed silk PLA biocomposite would be best suited for the fabric industry. In the end, I believe that the next step in this project would be testing these biocomposites on an industrial level to see how they hold up, which I would like to do in the future. Thank you.